Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ownership and why that matters. Copyright and license restrictions determine what's allowed. Once confirmed, choose official or licensed tools only. Avoid anything that bypasses digital rights management. Make sure your console and any PC utilities are fully updated so transfers and verifications run smoothly. Gather account credentials and an external drive if permitted by the maker. This step prevents legal problems and reduces file corruption risks, so don't skip these preparations. Once prepared, sign into your Xbox account and use the platform's sanctioned routes. Download any eligible digital copies from the store and use official transfer or network transfer tools to move game data. For saves, prioritize Cloud Sync because it preserves licenses and versioning. If you need a physical backup, opt for manufacturer-recommended or licensed utilities that do not circumvent protections. These approaches keep your content usable under the service terms and avoid exposing you to banned or bricked hardware. To finish, verify the game's license and integrity using your console account tools so you don't lose access later. Once verified, restore saves from cloud or connect your external drive and test launch the game. Keep originals until you confirm everything works. If you encounter errors, error codes, or verification failures, stop and consult Xbox support or the device manufacturer's documentation rather than trying unapproved fixes. That single troubleshooting tip, reach out to official support, prevents further damage or account penalty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.